The P0351 code means there's a problem with the ignition coil A, primary, or secondary circuit. In simple terms, the ECM isn't seeing the right voltage or signal from the ignition coil for cylinder 1. This can lead to engine misfires, rough idling, and poor performance. Ignition coils create the high voltage needed to fire the spark plugs. Most modern vehicles have one coil per cylinder, and when one of those coils fails, or the circuit that controls it fails, you'll get a P0351 code. The first thing to check is the ignition coil for cylinder 1. It could be internally shorted, cracked, or just worn out. If you swap the coil with another cylinder and the misfire or code follows, you found the problem. The second cause could be a blown fuse or relay that supplies power to the ignition coil circuit. Always check related fuses before replacing parts. The third cause is damaged wiring or a poor electrical connection to the ignition coil. Look for broken wires, corrosion, or loose connectors in the harness leading to coil A. The fourth cause could be a faulty spark plug. If the spark plug in cylinder 1 is fouled, cracked, or damaged, it can cause poor ignition, which could be misread by the ECM as a coil issue. The fifth cause could be a faulty ignition coil driver inside the ECM. This is rare, but if the ECM isn't sending the correct signals to the coil, it could trigger the P0351 code even if the coil and wiring are fine. If you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment below and share how you fixed it. It could help someone else out.